We are working on Word Multi-Project 3. We're working on the Dive Show project. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and insert a Excel file beneath the text below our highlight sessions you will want to attend. So we'll go ahead and put our cursor here in this first line. We'll click the Insert tab, and we're going to go to the text group over here, and we want to select Object, not Text from File, but Object. Create from File, we'll click Browse. We'll find our GMetrix folder, and we'll find this Excel file right here. If you're not sure, you have file type over here, and we'll click Insert, and we'll click OK. You don't want to select any of these. The next thing we need to do is go to the last line on the second page. We'll go ahead and select this text, and we're going to turn this into a hyperlink. So we're on the Insert tab still. We're going to click Hyperlink, and I'm actually going to copy this using Control-C. I'm going to click the email address here, and the text we want to display is still the email address. The email address will go here, and we want to put the subject of registration. So again, we're on the email address section over here, the link, and filling this out. The third thing we're going to do is navigate to the bookmark taxi and delete the entire line from that location. So we'll go to the Home tab. We'll go to the Find, Go To, Bookmark. Taxi populated for me, so I'll go ahead and click Go To. I can close out of this. And with that highlighted, I can hit the Delete key on my keyboard, and it will disappear. Task 4 asks us to change the page orientation of this document to portrait. So we're going to go to the Layout tab. We're going to click Orientation and click Portrait. And I'll change that document. The next thing we're going to be asked to do is to change the theme of the document to Integral. So we're going to switch over to the Design tab. We'll click Themes, and then we'll select Integral. The next thing we need to do is to add an Ion Dark footer to the document. We're going to be on the Insert tab, all the way over to Footer, and we're going to scroll through here until we find Ion Dark. We'll go ahead and close out the header and footer once we've inserted that. And then we're going to configure Word not to print in the background. Now, anytime you see the word configure in GMetrix, or even on the certification test, you're going to want to think File Options. So we'll click File, Options. This is going to be on the Advanced tab. We'll scroll through till we find the Printing. And we're going to uncheck Print in Background. Click OK.